Hey guys, I've got a unboxing and review of the KeyBudz Podskinz AirPod case. So this is the Generation 2 AirPods without the charging case. And this is the KeyBudz Podskinz. So I came across this on eBay, just searching for AirPods cases just to try and help protect this, because I have had it slip out of my pocket before and land on the concrete. So I just wanted to get something that gives a little bit of protection but not too much bulk. So this is what I decided to get. I have used this for a couple of weeks just so I got an idea of if it's good or not. And I have to say that it's been very helpful. I also noticed that it stops dirt and stuff getting in and around here, which a lot of people, which I got. It always collected like dust and stuff around the hinge point and under the AirPods there. So it's helped with that. And obviously it's helped with any scratching that would have happened from sliding along anything or falling out of your pocket or anything like that. So we'll get this out. This is the black silicone. So in the box you get a product lineup for your Apple AirPods. So you can see there that this is what we've got here. The original Podskinz in black comes with the Podskinz keychain version as well, which I didn't get. And then you can also get ear buddies for your AirPods. So if you really need to go for a very vigorous run and they fall out of your ears, you can get those there. And there's also the KeyBudz Earbuds Ultra that make them look a bit like the new AirPods Pro. So they've got a little silicone tip on the end here and then the ear loop as well. So these are just the ear loop without the silicone tip on it. And then there's another one here called Podskinz Switch. So that's their lineup for AirPods. You can join their program, and I don't know what that is, just some advertising by the look of it for some V-trainer. Let's get this out of the bag. And you'll be able to see it's got a little bit of lint collection on it because I've been using it. So this is silicone. It is quite soft and rubbery, as you can see there. And it does get a little dusty and the lint and stuff sticks to it, but that's to be expected with a silicone case. So it's got the little flap for your lid. It's got a little flap there for the lightning port to protect it from getting dust in it. So to fit this, you literally just drop the bottom of the AirPods into the case, push it all the way home, and then that little connector cap plugs in. And then that just goes over the lid like that, and you just sort of press it all down till it's nice tight seal around the edges. And then it doesn't open as far as normal because of the hinge point at the back there. You can see the little rubber there on the back, which is sort of stopping it from opening all the way, which is not that big a deal because it's still super easy to get out, put in. Still shuts with the nice click noise, and it really protects the AirPods from drops. I have dropped it once out of my pocket with these and it's done nothing. It hasn't even marked the outside of the case, so it was just onto tiles, but didn't damage the AirPods, didn't damage the AirPod case, and it didn't damage the silicone case. One thing I will note, like any silicone case, is that it's a little bit harder to put in and out of your pocket compared to the AirPods case, because the AirPods case is that nice shiny plastic and very smooth, and it just literally slips straight into your pocket. But in saying that, it slips out of your pocket really easily, so it doesn't slip out of your pocket as easy with the case on. If you have the one with the charging case, you can see, like it shows on that box there, you can see the charging light through the case. So that's a good thing, they've thought of that. I like the little connector flap here. It's really stopped any dust going in there. And just, you can still push the little button at the back there too if you have to hold that down. doesn't hinder that. It's just an all round, really good, slim, protective AirPods case. So, and I'm very happy with it, so I can't rave about it enough. So that's the KeyBudz Podskinz AirPod case. Thanks for watching. Cheers.